Name the basic components of a communication system. Microphone, transmitter, transmitting antenna, receiving antenna, receiver, and headset or loudspeaker. What is the most common communication system in use today? VHF. Which radio system is used for long-range communication? HF. What is a transceiver? It is a transmitter and receiver which share the same power supply, antenna, and tuning. What are the components of a typical VOR system? A receiver, a visual indication, antennas, and the power supply. What are the basic components of an autopilot system? The gyros, the servos, and the amplifier. What are the sensing elements of an autopilot system? The directional, turn and bank, attitude, and altitude control. What are the output elements of an autopilot system? The servos that actuate the control surfaces. What is the purpose of a bonding jumper on a radio shock mount? To provide a ground return and minimize radio interference from static electricity. What is the frequency of an emergency locator transmitter? 121.5 MHz. How can you determine when the batteries of an ELT should be replaced even though the set operates? Determined by the manufacturer, and the replacement date must be marked on the outside the transmitter. Describe the proper method of routing coaxial cable from the antenna to the receiver. Route then alone with intervals of 2 feet. The bend is at least 10 times the cable diameter. Where is the preferred location for mounting a VOR antenna on a small aircraft? On top of the cabin or on top of the vertical stabilizer? Where should DME antennas be located? The lower surface of the aircraft, in a position that won't be blocked by the wings. What are marker beacons? Part of the ILS system and are used to indicate the aircraft position on the approach to the runway. What is the indication of the middle marker beacon? It is an amber light and an audible tone.